What is up, you guys? It's Joelle. Welcome back to another monthly vlog. It is the beginning of July, July 1st, and this is probably gonna be the beginning of July part 1 because I'm at home in San Francisco this part, but later in the month I'm going to be going down to LA, and so I just figured that'll be like a separate vlog. I had a dance practice and a social last night and I'm so tired, but one of my best friends from high school, Rashan, is in town, so we're gonna hang out because she's only here one weekend this entire summer. You've probably seen her in a bunch of past vlogs if you've been here for a while.
Everything looks so gray and sad and gloomy. It's Shanman! It is a ugly day out here in San Francisco. We came to Clement to go to brunch and just found a farmer's market. Look at all this stuff. Ooh, I wonder if they have bread samples.
Taking a free sample.
Oh my god. Wow, this is so good. Ninja. This is a staple of what we do. Guys, look who I'm here with! Do you recognize her from literally the entire past year? Yep. Yeah, it's Lydia. We're just spending the day together and gonna hang out. Look at our adorable drinks.
Like, mine has a freaking bear on it.
It has a bear. So cute. What, yours was coconut, right? Okay, and mine was mint chocolate, so I'm real excited. God bless this place. Hey Ashbury. I feel like I come here all the time, but I love bringing people here because of all the cute stores. Movie star Lydia. Casual. Hi. I open the doors and see. I open the doors and see. Rolling in silence, we'll be falling with pride. Oh my gosh. Oh. $40 what? Hello. Outlets to Japantown to explore. She's never been here before. It's like so unnecessary, but it's so cute. Yeah. Okay. Their little logos move fast and make things. That's a variation of a Mark Zuckerberg quote. Huge fan. Back at home, we're gonna do a little mini haul of what we got. Thrifting, vintaging. I'm super excited about this jacket. It's like an old bomber windbreaker. It kind of has this like gold peacock feather design and this button detail that I always thought was so cute. And this zipper, the gold zipper, huge fan. I got that at Held Over for like 30 bucks. So again, vintage prices. And I'm so excited about these mom jeans that I got. Yes. I've been looking for some more mom jeans and they have the buttons up. They're also around $30, but I was like, you know what, better than retail, so I'll take it. Got these little micro shades, hopped on the micro shade train, and got these from Ambiance. It's like a boutique, it's not vintage or anything, but here we are. I thought they would match my hair. It does. Kind of looks like ah! I love it. Good morning, you guys. Happy 4th of July. Today my family, I think, is spending the day in Napa. Just sort of chilling, celebrating, having some church friends over and stuff like that. Independence Day is always a funny one because my relationship with America is such that it's like the homie that you love and you care about, but sometimes they go off and do really dumb things and you're just like, why the hell you gotta do that? And then sometimes they drag you into trouble and it's annoying. I'm very proud to be an American, but still I'm sometimes like, why? Alrighty, we're here in Napa. We made it. Micah's friend Michael is joining us. We're cleaning, preparing food for having people over later, and Micah and Michael went to go get eggs out of the chicken coop. And I think they locked themselves in there somehow. How did you even, they could have just pushed this door and it would have opened. Alright. But, well, you know, so you win some, you lose some. Downtown Napa for some fireworks. Guys, it is the following day, day after the 4th. Kaale and I are around here in Hayes Valley, which is a neighborhood in San Francisco I never really explored, but we're just doing some window shopping, hanging out, having a nice little sister day.
will be falling with pride.
I'm trying salt and straw ice cream, and they have really gourmet flavors and support local businesses, which is cool. And we got a birthday cake and blackberry one, and then we got a brownie one, so I'm excited. Enjoying our ice cream in the sun. The chocolate brownie one. It tastes like, for some reason, healthier than regular ice cream. Birthday cake. It's really good. Molly made it in the beautiful wine country, so we're just enjoying some food and then gonna go dip in the pool, probs. Yeah. Look, I'm here with other dancers from Dartmouth. It is Jocelyn. Yeah. On the Esh.
So you know that day when I like took a picture of him?
Oh, this fancy boba cup.
This will be a story.
If I like try to shake it, will I just dump everything out? Yeah, Fritz, what's your go-to dance move? Yes, say hi. This is all we do. I'm going to Pulse Fine Arts, and I just got a parking ticket because in this new neighborhood we live in, there's residential overtime, and I'm stupid. Alrighty, so this is the Palace of Fine Arts. It's Kevin!
Hello.
He's here to take some photos and fly some drones, right?
Yep. Because like that one was
super...
super...
Peter McKinnon's boomerangs?
Love Peter McKinnon.
It's so pretty.
Alright, which one is the goalkeeper?
This is the little guy.
Little guy. Powerful guy.
I've never held a drone before. Watch me break it. Just kidding.
Yeah,
I won't say that. Don't worry. I won't break it. Don't worry. Oh, there it goes. It's staring at us right now.
It's gonna track us, and then it's gonna fly back.
That's so cool. Location change. We are now at Sutro Baths, or Ocean Beach. It's so pretty. Look at that. Really cool. It was my first time ever using a drone, so I was hyped. And Kevin, of course, knows all the...
Almost.
I didn't.
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't crash it. I did not. So we tried finding a way down, and I think we're just gonna die. Should we just slide? Look how gorgeous San Francisco is. And I match this piece of graffiti right here. Yeah. Final location is the bridge.
Get some water on the ground, take a picture.
This would be so cool to fly a drone if we could legally do that.
We need to go to effects, and you might all know this stuff already.
I keep messing up on editing this little boomerang thing, and it's like 11:20-ish. Danielle's
So happy.
so glad that I'm vlogging right now. What's up, y'all? Happy July 13th, Friday the 13th. Got here my matcha latte. It's around 2 p.m. actually-ish, but just starting out the day kind of late. I was at the gym earlier today and just kind of doing some little work things on my computer. But I thought I'd start vlogging because I am headed to an event later today. Well, I'm helping work an event, and I think I am hosting and photographing for it, so I'm about to get ready so I don't look like this when I have to take people's credit card information. All right, full snatches is on. I borrowed my sister's Becca highlighter, and I really need to get myself one of these. These are so good. I'm wearing just this like blouse. It has like the cross backs and black skirt that I got at Thrift Town for maybe like $4. Look, we're all working here. It's James. Guys, this is welcome to reception. It hasn't started yet. That's the name of the restaurant.
Oh, I knew that.
Got me when the other person is here.
The star of the show. Photo or video. Alright you guys, as you can see, I'm back at home from the event that I was photographing and hosting at with Jacob. It was super fun, but I am back at home, transformed, changed into more comfortable clothes, thank goodness. And it seems like everyone and their mom is out tonight in the Mission, so I'm going out with some dance friends from TL. We'll see where the night takes us, you know? Oh gosh.
5, 6, 7, 8.
No, you guys are supposed to maintain eye contact. I was maintaining eye contact.
Max. Hi. He's on the J team, you guys.
I'm a playmaker.
Oh no.
What is good, y'all? It is July 16th. So today is actually the end of my July vlog. It's the last vlog. It's the last day that I'm vlogging in this video because tomorrow starts some new adventures. I'm gonna be traveling a lot, basically until the end of the summer. So if you notice a shift in content towards travel, vlogs, tech, that's sort of more of what I'll be doing just because of the nature of how life is going. Also later today, I'm really excited to post a new kind of video that I've never done before. It is my low-key dope project with Robert Yu, who's a homie. So I'm really excited to post. I'm meeting someone for lunch later today, but until then, I think I just have to do some laundry. Kind of want to watch a movie. I don't know. I need to be productive. A couple years. I don't know. Look, it's Max on the real vlog.
I made
Oh my gosh, you made it!
One thing to note, Instagram's at Maxwell.
Oh my god. But look, we got Anagili. So corporate. What's up you guys? So it's a lot later in the day and I am now en route to dance practice in Berkeley. It's like an hour commute out of the city. It is probably my last dance practice, I think, with TL or True Element, which is really sad. Okay, it's now around 12:15. I just got back home from dance practice, and so this is where I'm closing out this July vlog. As I said, there will be new adventures starting tomorrow, and so I'm actually really sad that that was like my last dance practice of the summer. Honestly, to any of my TL homies who watch this, and they're more than expected because they're just an incredibly supportive community, and I haven't experienced that in a while from dance community. You guys just reminded me why I love dancing in the first place. To close this out, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what the first half of my month of July was like. Comment down below what you've been up to this month of July, how you celebrated the 4th or whatever it is. I always love to hear from you guys, even if it's like the smallest, simplest thing. Yeah, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please feel free to do so. Join the J team, where no one's bench warmer, everyone's a playmaker. And and if you'd like to see more little updates from my everyday life, be sure to hit up all my social medias, and those are always linked down below and just thrown right here for your convenience. But yeah, love you guys so much. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.